Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bindi, and on this channel we practice flexibility of the mind, the body, and the spirit. If you would like to learn how to manifest things that are not currently within your belief system, continue watching. Something really important to understand is that we are always manifesting. There are all these videos that say that learn how to manifest and learn how to do this and learn how to do that. And you don't necessarily learn how to manifest because you're already doing it. It's learning about being conscious of what you're manifesting so that you can have more control over the direction your life goes in. The things that we are manifesting, especially the things that we manifest very easily, are things that are already within our current belief system, things that we already believe to be. Why do you believe in gravity so absolutely, but not that you can achieve certain things? One really big thing that keeps people away from manifesting their desires is just their lack of belief in the fact that they can achieve that desire. A lot of times we want things, but we put it on a pedestal because we feel like it's this amazing thing that is almost unrealistic. So what is it that makes this thing unrealistic? I'm gonna be real with you guys. What makes something unrealistic to you are your past experiences. There have been things to happen within your past experiences to make you believe that you are not worthy of specific things now. Let's say you're just learning about law of attraction, you're just learning about manifesting and expanding your life, and you may want to manifest a new car, a better job, a better relationship. So you know you want these things, but you haven't started doing the personality work. You haven't started doing the inner work to feel worthy of them. So you don't relate to these desires. These desires don't resonate with you. You know your personality and your spirit wants them, but because of things that have happened in your past, you don't feel worthy of them. Something that has happened in your past can make you not feel attractive enough for a relationship. If you want a job, something that has happened in your past, maybe just being denied jobs makes you feel like you're not qualified for the very job that you want. All of the things that we know, that we think we know, that our ego knows is from personal experience. Instead of saying, that was one situation that happened in the past, we say that this is a law, a universal truth, and we apply it to everything, which can actually be really detrimental to attracting things and bringing things into our lives. The way past this mental hurdle is understanding that we as humans are all the same. I'm going to explain this, but I'm just letting you know what you have, the belief that you have to put into your mind to start feeling worthy of things that you feel are unbelievable or things that cannot happen. You have to know that as humans, we are all at the core the same. It's our past experiences and things that we see that start to create our reality, that start to create our different perspectives. And all of our ego and all of our memories and ideas, those are all things that sit on top of who we are at our core. We have a core, and then we have circumstances and past events and people and things that sit on top of our core that influence how we see the world and how we move in the world. But at our core, we are all the same. At our core, we all come from one divine source energy. So once you understand that we are all the same and it's simply your perception that makes you different from any other person, you can start to understand that no other person is more deserving of any of this cool stuff than you. Nobody deserves a bigger house than you do. Nobody deserves a nicer car than you do. No one deserves to be happier than you do. And if you feel like other people do deserve to be happier than you, that's something you got to meditate on and figure out, because essentially it's not true, because we are all the same and we are all worthy of the same things. It's the education and the information that we bring into our lives that teach us how to pursue what we want. So it's really figuring out that you want to control your life and control your thoughts that gets you in the right state of mind to get your desires. It's not that someone was just born lucky and they just get everything they want. They have the mindset. The mindset's the only thing that stands in the way. Nothing is too big. Nothing is too crazy. Nothing is out of your reach. It is important that we learn from past experiences, but after we learn, we have to let them go. If we hold on to past experiences and let them jade the way that we see the world and the way that we move forward, we stand in the way of ourselves, we stand in the way of our own evolution, and that very evolution can be what turns you into the person that's worthy of the very desires that you want. Learn from your past, figure out the lesson, move forward. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed making it. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure you do, as well as clicking the little bell icon so that you know when I upload new videos. And then last but not least, please make sure you leave a comment so I know what you thought about the video. I adore you with all my heart. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.